In this article, we will explore how Eco Windows can benefit your New Orleans home by improving energy performance, increasing curb appeal, and providing a high return on investment. Improved energy efficiency. New Orleans is known for its hot, humid summers and mild winters. This type of climate can put a strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to high energy bills. By upgrading to Eco Windows, you can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, resulting in lower utility costs and a more comfortable living environment. Double pane or triple pane glass. One of the most important features of Eco Windows is the use of double pane or triple pane glass. These windows feature 2 or 3 layers of glass with insulating gas between them, such as argon or krypton, which helps reduce heat transfer. This means that in the summer, cool air stays inside, and in the winter, warm air remains in your home. Low E coatings. Another eco-friendly feature of these windows is low E, low emissivity, glass, which reflects heat back outside during the summer while letting sunlight in. This helps reduce the workload on your air conditioning system during the sweltering summer months, lowering your energy consumption and keeping your home cooler. Installing Eco Windows can help you create a more energy-efficient home, which benefits not only your wallet but also the environment. Enhanced curb appeal. Eco Windows don't just improve your home's energy efficiency, they can also enhance its curb appeal. Whether you have a historic New Orleans home or a modern property, new windows can completely transform the exterior appearance of your house. Aesthetic options. With a variety of window styles and finishes available, you can choose Eco Windows that match your home's architectural style. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-hung windows, the modern elegance of casement windows, or the dramatic views offered by bay windows, Eco Windows are available in a range of designs that can complement your home's unique style. Increased light and views. Eco Windows allow more natural light to enter your home, brightening up the interior and making your living space feel larger and more inviting. In addition, they improve your home's exterior views, whether you're overlooking the lush greenery of New Orleans parks or the scenic streets of your neighborhood. Installing Eco Windows can give your home a more polished, modern look that increases its visual appeal and makes it stand out from other homes in the neighborhood. Higher resale value. If you're considering selling your home in the future, installing Eco Windows is a smart investment that can increase your home's market value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly desirable for buyers, especially in cities like New Orleans, where energy bills can be high due to the hot, humid climate. Appealing to eco-conscious buyers. As more buyers become environmentally conscious, homes with eco-friendly features are becoming more sought after. Homes with Eco Windows are more attractive to potential buyers who want to reduce their carbon footprint and save on energy costs. Higher ROI. Studies have shown that homes with energy-efficient windows tend to have a higher resale value. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that have already undergone these upgrades, knowing that they won't need to replace the windows themselves. Installing Eco Windows is a long-term investment that can lead to higher resale prices and quicker home sales, making it an excellent option for homeowners who plan to sell in the near future. Sustainability and environmental benefits. Eco-friendly windows are designed to reduce your home's overall environmental impact. By improving your home's energy efficiency, eco-windows help reduce your reliance on fossil fuels for heating and cooling, which ultimately reduces your carbon footprint. Less energy consumption. Because eco-windows keep your home at a comfortable temperature, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, reducing overall energy consumption. This means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. Sustainable materials. Many eco-windows are made from sustainable materials like recycled vinyl or fiberglass, which are both long-lasting and low-maintenance. By choosing eco-windows, you're also making a positive impact on the planet by supporting environmentally responsible manufacturing processes. Durability and low maintenance. Not only do eco-windows improve your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal, but they also offer increased durability and require less maintenance. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are particularly resistant to weathering, fading, and cracking, meaning they'll look great for years without the need for frequent repairs or painting. Long-lasting investment. Eco-windows are designed to withstand the elements, which is especially important in New Orleans, where humid conditions and frequent storms can take a toll on less durable windows. These windows are built to last and will continue to provide energy savings and security for many years. Low maintenance. Unlike traditional wooden windows, which require regular maintenance to prevent rot and warping, eco-windows require minimal upkeep. Simply cleaning the glass and ensuring the seals are intact is usually all that's needed to keep them in excellent condition. Conclusion. Boost your home's value and curb appeal with eco-windows. Upgrading to eco-windows is a smart investment for homeowners in New Orleans who want to improve their home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and market value. These windows provide a wide range of benefits, including better insulation, reduced energy costs, and a more modern, attractive appearance. Whether you're looking to sell your home or simply want to enjoy the benefits of improved comfort, eco-windows are a great option that will provide long-term value and enhance the overall performance of your home. If you're ready to boost your home's value and sustainability, consider installing eco-windows in your New Orleans home today.